Welcome to our second video from Banff National Park. Today we are starting out at the Banff Gondola.
I'm excited to go up and see. I'm ready. Chris, are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
You guys ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Rob, you ready? He's ready.
Have a good time.
Thank you. Oh, look at the river out there. I will say, this little gondola, she is toasty. Like, bring your mini Phantoms, guys. Like, this is, I got sweatwear.
All right, we have made it to the top of the gondola. It is about 700 feet higher than the base camp down there, and we're sitting at an elevation of over 7,300 feet above sea level. So now let's take a look around and see if we can get some photos from these incredible viewpoints.
Beautiful. So kind of cool, in their main building, there's an elevator up to an observation deck. So for limited mobility, perfect. And there's also the second floor with a ton of history.
All right, we've made it to the top observation deck of the building. Great view from up here.
Pretty easy to get to. We took the stairs, they chose the elevator. Easy peasy, cut and dry.
So as well as a bunch of great vantage points, there's also a cafe up here, there's a restaurant.
I think a couple of restaurants.
There's lots of stuff up here, including a couple of other trails which lead to even higher viewpoints up the next mountain.
I think this is the weather station.
The weather station. All right, let's go find out what's at the end of this trail.
We still haven't reached the top of Sulphur Mountain. We're getting there, but we have some more to go. But they've got some epic views up there. It's official. It says we've arrived at the top of Sulphur Mountain. Pretty freaking beautiful up here, and it's a really easy hike. Very easy. It is super busy at the top here. Get your photos, get it.
So this weather station was used from 1903 until the mid-1930s, and the guy that ran it did this hike without the boardwalk, just on the normal trail all the way from the town of Banff over 1,000 times just to collect weather data.
Insane. We have finished exploring Sulphur Mountain, and we're gonna head back down the gondola and go grab some lunch. Gondola can carry up to 650 people an hour and over 500,000 people a year. Crazy.
0, 3, and 1, 2, 3.
All right, have a good one.
way down to see how long this takes. 1:11 is when we're leaving.
They make a bunch of their beers here right in-house.
All right, that meal was absolutely incredible. Food was great,
It was.
beer was good, service was excellent. If you guys are in Banff, definitely check out Three Bears Brewing and Restaurant.
Delish. Loved it. Sweating.
All right, now on to the next thing.
We have decided to make another little pit stop at Bow River Falls. Kind of easy, convenient. Apparently you just pull up to the side and there's the waterfall. We had no idea. Bushy steep. We made it to the top of the steps. These falls are moving so fast, it's crazy. I would not want to get caught in those. Ah, cool, and you can go right down by the water. We are going to go just a little bit further, but first we have to tackle these ridiculous looking stairs. We've reached our turnaround point. We're gonna go back and find Rob.
So if you guys are in this area and looking for a nice, easy hike, this is definitely the one to come check out. It didn't take us very long, and it was all paved, had steps, railings, the whole deal, and there were a ton of spots for great photos. All right, guys, this is where we're gonna end the video. Today was really great. Saw a lot of cool things. The gondola was really cool. And Bow River Falls is an excellent spot if you want to come grab some photos. Thanks a lot for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, did they kiss?
Nothing like your parents kissing. Ugh, nasty. Very nice railings here. Oh, are you filming me?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Chris falls down the stairs. He almost fell down the stairs. It's true.